Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Semoneskosan and I'm sharing my day look with you today using 5 amazing Justine products. So I'm actually going to prep my face with the Justine A-Foam Even Tone Serum. I apply this before I apply my foundation, and what I love about it is that it acts like a primer. And I feel like it almost protects my skin at the same time from any foundation going into my pores. And then this is the foundation that I'm going to be using. It's the Justine Purely Perfect foundation. I'm going to be applying a Purely Perfect liquid liner, and what I love about it is that it's such an easy application. It's also waterproof, so I hope I can get this right the first time. This is the Purely Perfect Volume Mascara. And for me it feels like it's waterproof. I'm not totally sure, but I've had no smudges using this mascara, so I absolutely love it. Volume is always good. So I'm almost done with my look. And the amazing thing about this is that it literally takes me about 15 minutes a day, because I use about 4 to 5 of these amazing products that I'm trying, and I love it because my skin still feels like I'm not wearing anything on my face. It's so breathable, it leaves my skin feeling and looking and glowing and doing all these amazing things. So I'm going to be just applying my lippies, CJ says, calls it lippies, and then I'm done. I think this is probably my favorite color of the Justine lipsticks. I always like these natural pinky colors. So this is Rose. This is the High Shine Lip Gloss. If you would like to check out any of the products you've seen in the video today, check out the link in the comment section below to visit the Justine website. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Love you guys so much. God bless.